Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. As Diwali season is here, so I am going to draw a beautiful greeting card for all of you. Anyone can draw this card just in a few minutes. For that I have taken this white color sheet, A4 size sheet, and folded into half. So let's start drawing. First of all, I am going to draw some firecrackers. For that I'm using this sketch pen. I'm drawing the sticks of these crackers. Basically these are the fulcharis. All of us know about the fulchari. Okay, now take a red color and draw a star in the center. And just color them up. Okay, okay. Now draw the small stars that are falling down from these fulcharis. Okay, now I am going to draw the chakri. Wow! This greeting card is very easy to make. At the last minute you can make this greeting for your loved ones, for your family, for your friends. Again draw the stars that are coming out of the chakri. Nice. Now I'm going to use some red color to make it more bright and highlight the chakri more. Okay. So here is our chakri. Okay. Now I am going to draw the diyas on the borders of the card like this. Okay, so I have drawn the diyas on both the borders. Now with the help of brush pen, write down Happy Diwali. Okay, now we'll draw the two candles here. Okay, now again draw a chakri here. And draw the ribbons at the border. And now add some sparkle to your greeting card with sparkle tube. And look how beautiful, easy, and the most simple greeting card which anyone can make. Okay, look how beautiful and attractive this card is looking. So friends, our happy Diwali greeting card is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Happy Diwali to all of you.